Hey, I am Julie, and you are paying attention to me since you need to have a deep understanding of Sleep Slim Tea. You keep thinking about whether it will truly tackle your concerns, so I'm here to respond to every one of your inquiries. Leading all, I have a truly significant caution for you, so give close consideration to everything I will say to you. The primary thing you want to be aware of is to be cautious with the site you're going to purchase from, on the grounds that Sleep Slim Tea is just sold on the authority site. To help you, I passed on the connection to the authority site down underneath in the depiction of this video. Don't look through on Amazon or Walmart. Sleep Slim Tea is a weight reduction tea that contains a mix of fixings that are said to assist with weight reduction. The organization behind Sleep Slim Tea says that the tea can assist you with shedding pounds by helping your digestion and stifling your craving. As the name depicts, this tea likewise helps in having a quiet and profound rest. Many individuals take specific teas to have a decent night's rest. This tea is one of them, and it has a few different advantages too. The weight reduction recipe is likewise FDA endorsed and figured out in a GMP-confirmed office. It is 100% regular and has no incidental effects according to the makers. What are the significant elements of Sleep Slim Tea? Every one of the fixings utilized in Sleep Slim Tea is taken straightforwardly from homesteads in nature. These fixings incorporate concentrates of plants and spices for certain other regular components. They are tried in guaranteed labs by clinical specialists and groups. Probably the main fixings remembered for this tea are acacia, turmeric powder, dark pepper, cardamom powder, cinnamon, magnolia powder, and numerous other natural components. This natural tea may exclude fake fixings, colors, flavors, gluten, soy, or additives. Drinking this tea consistently may not cause secondary effects in the body like cerebral pains and headaches. Also, this item is all right for long-haul utilization. It might show a positive effect on the body in half a month. Your physical and emotional well-being might work in half a month with the ordinary utilization of Sleep Slim TNZ. This item is made by utilizing the absolute best procedures and strategies. This natural tea can be consumed by youthful and elderly folks individuals. It might work better compared to different items. Return policy. If you don't think Sleep Slim Tea is worth at least double what you're paying today, just contact my customer service at support@pureleafyorganics.com anytime in the next 60 days. I needed to record this video first to advise you to be cautious with the site you will purchase Sleep Slim Tea from. To get it, simply click on the authority connect that is in the depiction of the video. I truly trust this video has cleared your questions. I additionally trust Sleep Slim Tea helps you similarly, as it assists great many others with letting me know your thought process in the remarks.